Hello and welcome to another episode of Don't Hate the Player, Hate the Recipe. The show where I make a recipe to the letter, and if the food turns out badly, it's not my fault, it's the recipe's fault. This is episode 3 of this series. Is anyone watching it? No. Are we making it anyway? Yes, let's go. This is what I'm making. Crispy sweet chili beef. It should look like that. This is what we need. I'm gonna have to go shopping. Pringle break. Never go shopping hungry, guys. Can we just take a moment to appreciate that that is exactly 500 grams. I had to buy 2 packets that were at both 357 grams of beef. Who sells beef in those quantities? Tesco. That's who. Why? We don't know. It said a handful of sugar snap peas. That is exactly as many as I could get into my hand in the shop. And yes, we're using goddamn measuring spoons. Recipe says 1 onion cut into chunks. What is a chunk? I've decided that's a chunk. It's like a wedge. So if that bit is gross, that's the recipe's fault. Thank you. It says 4 garlic cloves. Should you always put more garlic than the recipe says? Yes. Have I done exactly 4 garlic cloves? Yes, because I'm not messing this one up. That is the beef that has been dusted with corn flour and sprayed with a healthy amount of air fryer oil spray, and that is going in. But I've got licensed. Look, it says 8 to 10 minutes, or if you want even crispier, keep it in for longer. So we're going longer. 15 minutes, 190. At this point, I am a bit concerned that there is no flavour on the beef. It was just corn flour and oil. That can't be right. No, that's it. All the flavour comes from the sauce later on. So already having some low expectations for this one. That is the onions and the greens softening over a medium heat. Onto the sauce! Which contains
4 garlic cloves crushed, 3 tablespoons of sriracha, 3 tablespoons hoisin sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce.
Right, that's been 15 minutes. Let us reveal the beef. Do I want it more crispy? No, let's not mess around. The nudes are in. I'm gonna mix them around and then we are done. Right, that's us. Does it look like the photo? Not exactly, because the photo has some onions and some chilies on the top. And I'm like, where's that come from? And then right at the top of the recipe up here, serve with noodles and sprinkle with sliced spring onions and red chili. Put it in the recipe then. Put it in the recipe. Thanks. Also, I definitely should have left it in the air fryer for longer or mixed around, because that is what the consistency we wanted, which is not what we have. Here she is. Now for the taste test. This is the bit where I make really weird noises and you get to watch me eat. All right, okay, I can feel there is some crispiness to the beef. Let's get a bit of nudes on there, get a bit of veg on there. Bone apple tea. Generally, pretty damn tasty, actually. Consistency is not what you want. The beef should have been much crispier, and that is 100% the recipe's fault. If you've watched the other 2 episodes in this, you'll know that I maybe deviated very slightly off the recipe in the other ones. This one, I stuck to it to the letter, and it's not quite what I was promised. But am I enjoying it? Yes. Were the ingredients a faff? Not really. Was it quick? Pretty quick. Is there a lot of washing up to do? No. So, I mean, all things considered, I think you, my friend, are getting, I think you're getting an 8 out of 10. Woo! It's beefy, it tastes nice, and it's not particularly complicated, and it uses the air fryer. But yeah, you're getting an 8 out of 10. Congratulations. Is this the first 8 out of 10 we've given on this series? I think so. I don't remember what the other 2 were, even though there's only 2 other episodes. Anyway, I'm going to eat the rest of this. While I'm doing that, what you should probably do is click one of these things that's on the screen and like go to watch another video of mine, or, subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.